Did you open it up and find candy? Here, we'll do that. We'll do it later. Let's shut it. Okay, go find the rest of the eggs. Go find the rest of them. Oh, good job. Okay, go find some eggs. Go find them. Now she wants to open them all because she knows there's stuff in them. Hey, go find the rest of the eggs the Easter Bunny left for you. Addison, go find the eggs. Go find the rest of them. Take your cart and go find eggs. Good girl.
Oh, that.
Okay, go that way. Go down the hallway and see if there's any.
What's that? What's that?
Good job.
Uh-oh.
Does that one not shake either? It's okay.
What's that?
Uh-huh. Okay, put it in your cart.
What is that? Oh, what's that? Oh, this is you.
It's okay. Put it in your cart.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead. No, you can go in there today.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, what's that? Is it Lucy?
Okay, keep going. Keep going.
What's that donkey? Is it me?
Good job. That Easter Bunny hid a lot of eggs for you.
What is that? What is it, go?
Let's shut it. Shut this one. Okay, go find some more. Go find more.
Oh, it's not looking.
No, they're not in the drawers, baby. Not in the drawers.
Are there any on your piano?
Face.
What's that? What is it looking at?
Good job. Go put it in your bucket.
Hi.
Is there any on your piano?
Oh, it's round yellow. Oh, yeah. Do you know?
Oh boy.
You're looking at that ball? What is that? Oh, that.
Good job.
A baby.
Yes, that's a baby. That's Addie.